Hey y'all. So, you guys see the title, you see the thumbnail. We're going to get into the December Allure box. This one came on time. I don't know what was going on with Ipsy and why it came so late, but Allure is always on time. They have the little booklet. Okay, we're going to look at this at the end and gag at the prices. All right, the first thing that I'm pulling out is by Lucetta, and this is the Manuka Honey Kiss Deep Hydration and Shine. And this is a shampoo and conditioner set. Okay, this is cute. I don't know why we need this extra packaging though. You know what I mean? Like, we could have did without this. Just put the damn thing in there. Cute little shampoo and conditioner. I'm glad that we got them together. You know what I mean? Like, I'm glad that they came together. I hate when they give us conditioner and no shampoo, or shampoo with no conditioner. Like, I need the full set, okay? Give me the full experience. To be honest, something like this is not gonna last at all for this, okay? I got a lot of hair. Even with it thinning, I still have a lot of hair. So this is probably 2 uses for the shampoo, 1 use for the conditioner. The next thing is an eye cream. So sick of eye creams, but I mean, I guess this is like an expensive one. It's more expensive than the other one we got. So, I mean, I guess we're gonna be fancy today. This is the Bee Venom Firming Eye Cream by Rodile. And this is what she looks like. As you can kind of see, it's not quite full. This much of the packaging could just not be there and we'd be fine. It's like literally like right up to here. You feel me? Like, all of this is just for show. I don't know why companies do that. Let's see if it's like safety sealed at all. No, no safety seal. All that money, you paying all that money, ain't no damn safety seal. The next thing I got, which I'm a little bit about, because I was hoping to get the beauty sponge because I would actually use it. This is the Innisfree, and it's just 2 pads of like gentle retinol salicylic daily toner pads. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's not even resealable, so you get 2 pads, but like, it's already gonna be exposed. I don't know, I guess. Thank you, I guess. I would have preferred to get the beauty sponge. They put all these little paper things in there. I hate those because they're always like just super flaky and they get all over everything, and it's just, I'm not here for it. I hate that, actually. And this is a contour palette, soft to sculpted, beauty for certain. And this is what it looks like. I thought this was an eyeshadow palette when I was looking at it online. I was like, they didn't give us an eyeshadow palette, but no, it's a contour palette. Now it's just like a little plasticky. It's cute. These are the colors that we're looking at. Some of them are shimmers. Is this an eyeshadow palette? Like, I don't know, you guys. I probably just use this as an eyeshadow palette. Like, let's be so for real here. What are we using this for? What are we using this for? I guess you could use this as a highlight, but what is this for? That's not a highlight color. I mean, it's a cute little neutral palette. I think it's pretty basic, but I mean, it's cute, and this is something I could travel with, right? I could travel with it. It's not too big, and it's like a bunch of neutral looks that I can make work, you know, very classic. So I will keep this. I think the last thing I have in here, I don't know, this feels a little skimpy. Is it just me? I think the reason why it doesn't feel like it's as, you know, exciting or as much is because they put this expensive eye cream in there. So that kind of made up the entire value of the box. And I'm unimpressed. I'm sorry. I'm not that impressed. Hopefully this steals the show, because with the rest of this stuff, I'm just like, y'all could have done more for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? We could have got something a little bit more exciting for Christmas time, but it's still better than Ipsy. This is the Dibs, and it is a go-to glossy bomb. And I got it in the color Mims, whatever that means. And this is what the packaging is looking like. Okay, that's cute. Ooh, the doe foot. Okay, you actually get a decent amount of color. The pigment payoff is actually kind of nice. It has some really pretty sparkles in it. I don't know if the light is gonna really do it justice, but it has some really pretty sparkles in there. I think this is good. The only thing I'm excited to really check out is this. The rest of this, I'm just not impressed. Like, between Ipsy and Allure this month, I'm just like, meh. You know, I skipped Ipsy for December, and then I went ahead and skipped it for January too. I was like, I'm good. I'm good. I do like that this is raised on the packaging. I think this is like the second thing from Dibs that I own. I have like their blush and bronzer duo. I don't even reach for it if I'm being honest, but I do think I'll reach for this. I think this is really pretty. Lately, I've been wanting to do like the red lip look, but you know, I could throw in some of this every now and again. Let's go ahead and gag at the prices. First, we have this Dibs Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm in Mims, and this is gonna run you $24. Okay, $24 for this lip gloss. The next thing is this Rodale Bee Venom Eye Cream, and this little feller is gonna run you $175. Why are we paying $175 for an eye cream? This better give me a 800 credit score. What the hell are we talking about here? The next thing is this Beauty for Certain Soft Sculpted Contour Palette, and this is gonna run you $39. Next, we have this Innisfree Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads. This is gonna run you $28 for 60 pads. We got 2. And then finally, we have this little miniature duo with the shampoo and the conditioner. This is Lucetta Manuka Honey. And the full size is gonna be 500 ml. They gave us 30 and it costs $16. And that's, you know, 500 ml for both and then $16 for both. Just meh. I don't understand this pricing. After I get done with the other expensive eye cream, we're gonna try this out and see if it does anything. Okay, I better look refreshed. I better look like I ain't had no kids. I better look like the economy is doing good when I put this damn eye cream on. I don't know who's buying this. Who the hell is buying this? I am so curious to know the lifestyle and the people who are buying this, because even the packaging is kind of flimsy and cheap looking. Like, at least with the other one, it came in glass. This just looks like some cheap you get off of goddamn Temu. $175? Like I said, when I put this under my eyes, I better look like a whole new broad. But I am curious to hear you guys' thoughts on this month of Allure. Do you think it's hitting and I'm just a hater, or do you agree with me that it's just bleh? If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.